All right, welcome to Machines and More. Welcome to Taipei. Welcome to my coverage of Computex this year. To kick things off, I'm here at Asus's headquarters here in Taipei for their media day, and there's a lot of fun things to show you guys. So let's go check that out. They showed a number of new products. Unfortunately, on the DIY front, there's not too many items. First off is a detachable BTF connector. They're calling this GC HPWR, which allows for the card to be both BTF and standard power delivery compatible. Where this might make sense is someone getting a card with BTF aspirations in process. You can get the card, use your standard connectors, and then add the BTF connector later on when the switch is complete. For now, just implemented on Astral 5090 or TUF 5070 Ti White Edition. For some, getting a GPU has been doom and gloom. For some of you, you need more doom. So this is a limited edition Astral 5080 based on the Slayer character from Doom of the Dark Ages. This one will be naturally limited to 666 units and is available to pre-order now for July shipment. Finally, of interest to me as someone who has used and really enjoyed their Harp Ace, ROG announced their Harp 2 Ace. It's even lighter now at 48 grams. Height and width pretty much the same, shortened by about 1.5 millimeters for the length. And it's featuring their Aimpoint Pro optical sensor, and the polling rate has been bumped up to 4K or 8K selectable. So I hope they also update the Harp Mini soon as well. Thanks for checking those out with me. We'll be checking out Asus's booth tomorrow when the show starts. Please make sure you subscribe for all the Computex content. Thanks for watching.